Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are showing you a fantastic investment property here in Alabang, Muntinlupa City. So this property has a spacious lot area of 750 square meters with a developed area of approximately 500 square meters. Now join us as we begin this tour. Let's begin with the parking area of this house. There's room enough for up to 10 vehicles for the parking area, which is fantastic and also gives you plenty of room in case you want to expand your home in the future. There's lots of space. It also has such a wide frontage, and you'll also love the community and how wide the street is here in front of the house. Now let's go. So you have access here towards the side of the house, and also you have access here to the right towards the service area, which we will explore later. But come on. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Now we're here inside the home where you have a spacious entrance foyer space. You have access towards the second level and here towards the dining area. But let's begin by taking a look at your spacious living area. So it's large enough to be divided into two spaces. You have a sitting area here and even an additional entertainment space right here. Now the purpose of this video is to give you an idea on the size and scale of the space. It's up to you how you want to maximize this house. You can have it renovated, refurbished. It's actually already ready for moving in right now. You can have it leased out, or you can even completely have the house built from scratch, demolished, and build a new house. It's up to you. There's so many options, and I encourage you to check out the listing price of this property. It's a great deal, okay? Now from the living space, let's take a look at your dining area. And here you have your formal dining space with a nice heightened ceiling here. You have access here back towards the entrance foyer space. And you have your first room right here. Natural wood flooring. Okay, you see it's spacious enough for even 2 beds. And you have your bathroom right here. Let's now take a quick look at the kitchen space. Welcome to your main kitchen, where you also have a pantry area right here. And then it's spacious enough to have a large countertop with the cooktop right here. And on this side, you have your laundry area and staff quarters. From the main kitchen, you have access to this gate to the service area of the house, which we'll explore later. Through the kitchen, now we're back here. And now it's time to explore one of the great features of this home, your spacious patio and garden area. So this is fantastic for entertaining guests. It's such a large space. And you can have an entire party here, family gathering, family reunions, or just a great space that's completely covered. In the morning, in the evening, you already have ceiling fans here. If you want to have this further refurbished in the future, there's so much potential. You could even potentially have a pool here in the future. That's just an idea since it's a covered space. Okay, and as you join me over here, let's quickly explore the garden area. And if you stand on this side, you can see how large the area extends all the way to the front of the house. And if you stand on this side, you can appreciate the size of a 750 square meter lot. Okay. And if you see from here, you have a terraced area upstairs. We'll quickly take a look at that also. Let's go. So this is just a quick look. This area can be further refurbished in the future, but this gives you an idea that this basically doubles your covered patio space. You have one downstairs and then you have a second area right here. Okay? From the patio space, you have an additional garden area here which leads to the service area here at the side. Let's head back into the house. The feel of this entire space while we're touring it is very relaxing, very laid back, and also you're very near the main commercial areas here in Alabang, such as Alabang Town Center and Westgate, and also Madrigal Business Park. Now we're back. And even though we're filming right now at noon time, the entire house feels very cool. On this side, the design provides you a powder room right here. And then a staircase. Welcome to the second level of this home. Let's explore the 3 bedrooms here. So this is a 4-bedroom property. Let's go over here. And even though it's just 4 bedrooms, each bedroom is very spacious. You see here, large enough for 3 sizable beds with plenty of space left over, natural wood flooring, and then you also have a walk-in closet space. With your bathroom area. You already have the water heater there for the shower. Once again, I'm gonna stand here so you can appreciate the size of the space. On this side, you have your 3rd bedroom. And what's amazing is every room has a master bedroom feel because of the size. Nice window area here for a home office setup. And then you also once again have a bathroom area with a walk-in closet space. And this area is sizable enough so that if you want to have like a television set here or even a small sofa, you can maximize this as a family hallway space. And here you have your primary bedroom. Wow, so once again, quite spacious. I like the ceiling height also. Once again. So these tours give you a feel of the size of the space. Now this is the master bedroom, walk-in closet, and bathroom. Right now, we just can't go in because there are a lot of personal items inside, but in terms of the size, it's similar or more sizable than the last bathrooms that we took a look at. Okay. And in addition, it also has a balcony space. So here you have an additional amenity space for your master bedroom. A nice private balcony space. You can't even view this from the street. Nice height also in terms of safety. So you can easily have a table, a couple of chairs here, and make this a nice private, even exercise space to add to your bedroom. Okay. Now we're back here at the main hallway. And that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.